So I got the springs out and the adjusters out. The old forks. Got seals ordered. Put new seals in them. Now I'm taking these apart. I had to get the little pin out of this guy to get this slid out, but it's pretty crusty. I'm going to clean it off on the wire wheel. Pop this out, put a new O-ring in it, clean it up, put a new O-ring in it. Oh, it's rust off before I shove it through there. It's stuck. There's a spring clip on it. Keep it in place. There it goes. Oh, it's a little warm yet. Little clip on top. There's an O-ring down in there. Clean her up and put it back together. It'll work nice and new like this one. I gotta clean the springs up. They're kind of crusty. We'll have high performance tc100.